Good evening, everyone. I have the PG Admin 4, and this is my work in week 2. So, I use some from the um, account data types here to create a table. So, here, as always, we as default of a systemize data or number of data is or ID or identification I set as primary key, and after that is varchar, so it's a maximum of characters of 50 letters, and the last name same, also is the email too, and the password and type. And as you see here, so this is for the table and this is for the columns. So this is the values of the data types I inserted. And after that, the admin will update or set an name as an admin. So here, so he will the system will catch the data here in the values. So update the account here, the name of the database. So where the table will updated. So and after that, the last name as start. So here, so delete Tony account. So for the delete account is delete from database name account where, so what the column or what the specific column. So here account first name Tony, and after that the or the another column is start. So same as the um, create table as classification. So set as a ID, so identification or number or how many datas will input. So here in the second 41 line is the name. So varchar means the variable character or the character, the maximum character he will type or she will type um, in the database or the in the outside or in the front end of the data. And after that, um, classification, insert into classification name values as sports. So after that, there has a create table as inventory set as a ID. Inventor make it's a varchar. The model is the description is text. It's kind of infinite here in description. So how many image you will put some. So image is varchar and the thumbnail is varchar too. So here is int, so integer. So he can able to add a set as primary key because this classification is only the number. So the integer will show as a number. If the person or like added a letters or any things or words, it cannot be added because it's only integer. And after that is foreign key. Classified reference is table of classification. After that is the identification. So we will step on to inventory. So this inventory set as, so this is the set variable types or data types here in this section. So the line 57 and line 59. So the next is insert into column, inventory, inventory make, model, description, image, thumbnail, and classification ID. And this is the values of the, or the data should input um, in the table. So this is the make, this is the model, this is the description, this is the path of the image. After that, this is the another image, and the number of the data. So after that, I set as inventory. Same as inventory is update set inventory description, replace at small huge, where or what the column should update is the GM. After that, and the same as these two data types. And after that is better make. So this is the selection what should be replaced on. So what are the specific selection of the data table or data column. So from the inventory or the what we call the table inventory. So this is the identification, join or the join the column as relationship, the um, same as this. So where what specific the or data type or table is the sports specific data, and update inventory set as image replace as these vehicles, and same as this um, here in the last part. So I also follow the instructions in the module. So we have account. So this is the classification, inventory. So I already save here in database as organize the data, so it can't be jumble or otherwise too easy to locate the data types. So it not be hassle to update data. And after that is the same as I procedures. So it's schemas. So I use query tool and I paste it the query. So this is the history of I created. So if I play execute it, so I if I copy it and paste this, the same error it because I already added the account, classification, and inventory. So the types is same as the module I did. So this is the video today, and thank you for watching.